In this video, we are going to show you this car jump starter with air compressor provided by ADINC for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. High performance 4000 amp jump starter and a 160 psi max air compressor. A large LCD screen which displays your battery level, real-time tire pressure, 3 units of pressure. We have PSI, long press this button. You have KPA, long press again. And you have BAR. Choose to use in different applications. Right now we are at vehicle. Short press the same button. Defaults 36 psi for your car. Short press again. Default 36 psi for your motorcycle. Default 60 psi for your bicycle. 8 psi for a ball. Press one more time and we have your custom setting. This button here is your lights button. You have 3 different light modes. You have a stable light. Press one more time for your SOS light. And then press again for strobe light. The lights are a nice bright 400 lumens. On one side you have your USB ports. First we have your USB out, 5 volts, 9 volts, or 12 volts. Next, we have your Type-C USB input to charge the device. Then we have another USB out, 5 volts at 2 amps. On the other side is where you plug in your jumper cables and where you screw in your air hose. Here is your 10 gauge smart jumper cable, your air hose, charging cable, a few air nozzles, a pair of cut-resistant gloves, your user manual, and your storage case. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. We're gonna go ahead and jump start this dead battery here. We're gonna go ahead and plug in your jumper cable. You're gonna see the light alternating red, green, red, green. Go ahead and connect the cables. The light stays steady green. Wait a few seconds, then go ahead and start your vehicle. Here we have your standard 15-inch tire. We have a live reading of 29 psi. We want to get it to 36 psi, and I'm going to go ahead and time it how long it takes. Takes less than 40 seconds. It does feature an auto shutoff. Here we have this deflated bike tire, and then hold down to start. Here we have a deflated kids football. We went ahead and attached the needle, put it through the football. Okay, then change the setting to ball. 8 psi, and go ahead and hit start. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.